Hey, welcome back to another cocktail video. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks. In today's video we're going to stick with the channel name and keep it simple. So we have a party drink, really easy to make, 4 ingredients only, built in the glass. So without further ado, let's make a Jagermeister Lagoon. The advantage of this cocktail is its simplicity, like its cousin Blue Lagoon, because it's built in the glass. It's a relatively big cocktail, you can get wasted pretty easily, and I'm guessing it's quite sweet because, you know, everything here except the lemon juice is sweet. So let's start with first ingredient, Jagermeister, 50 mils. Followed by blue Curacao, 22.5 mils, 3/4 of an ounce. Next up is lemon juice, freshly squeezed, 15 mils, half an ounce. Now we need ice. And we're going to top it up with lemon lime soda, Sprite, 7-Up, whatever we got at hand. Just a little bit more. It's so fizzy. Yeah, that's about it. Give it a quick stir. Garnish with a lemon wheel. And add a straw. That's it, ladies and gents. Jagermeister Lagoon. Cheers. Oh yeah, nice, sweet. Jagermeister is dominant, but not too dominant. This is quite nice, to be honest. Quite nice. It's refreshing, it's sweet, very tasty, and this is perfect party drink, definitely. Yeah. That's it, ladies and gents. We made a Jagermeister Lagoon, really easy to make. 4 ingredients only, built in the glass. Perfect party drink, sweet, refreshing, tasty. What else could you wish for? Try to make it and let me know in the comments below what you think. You know I like to hear your opinion. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. It means a lot. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.